What should I do if the songs are not deleting from my Pandora playlist?
Hello everyone! We often face a common issue when we can't delete songs from our Pandora playlists. Don't worry, it's a simple problem with an easy solution. In this video, we'll go step by step to show you how to successfully remove songs from your Pandora playlist.
Checking your Pandora account.
First, make sure you're logged into your Pandora account. Sometimes issues can occur if you are not properly logged in or if there is a problem with your account. Try logging out and back in again, and then see if you can delete the songs.
Is the app up to date?
The next step is to check whether your Pandora app is up to date. This is crucial because old versions may contain bugs that have been fixed in newer versions. So, go to your device's app store and update Pandora if necessary.
Deleting songs from the playlist.
Now, let's get to deleting the songs. 1. Open your Pandora app and go to My Collection. 2. Select the playlist that you wish to edit. 3. Once you're in the playlist, find the song you want to delete. 4. Tap on the Options, 3 dots, next to the song. 5. Select Remove from Playlist. This should successfully remove the song from your playlist.
Still having trouble?
If the issue persists, try clearing your device's cache or reinstalling the Pandora app. Remember to back up your data before uninstalling any app. If the problem remains, consider reaching out to Pandora's customer support. That's all there is to it. Following these steps should resolve any issues you have with deleting songs from your Pandora playlists. Remember, keeping your app up to date and your account in good standing are key to preventing these kinds of issues. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.